And the first meeting of Constituent Assembly. We all hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
तारीख है 9 दिसंबर 1946। एक नया राष्ट्र जन्म लेने जा रहा है। भारत स्वतंत्रता की दहलीज पर खड़ी है। 208 members were invited. The Muslim League was boycotted, but those presently new history was being made. इस सभा का उद्देश्य है भारत को एक संविधान देना, लोकतंत्र, न्याय और समानता की नींव। This was the first meeting of Constituent Assembly of India, a movement that would echo through history. Let's step into this revolutionary movement. Scene 1. Opening of the Assembly.
Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Welcome you to today's Constituent Assembly. Honorable members, as the oldest member of this assembly, I have been requested to preside over the first meeting until the permanent chairman is elected. I consider this as a great honor. We are here not just to debate laws, but to write the future of India. Let us proceed with humility and determination.
Scene 2. Speeches and vision. Nehru rises.
We have assembled here to frame a constitution for a free India. This is not just a legal document. It must reflect the soul of people determination. This is not just a body of lawmakers. It is Thank you. Our constitution must be the cement of our unity. There can be no India without unity, religious, regional, linguistic. We must rise above all divides. We must rise above all divides. Unity is the base of this country. Without this, our country should not run properly. Our country should not run properly. Thank you.
Hey, ताली बजाओ।
सभी को सुप्रभात। मैं अबुल कलाम आजाद। भारत एक धर्म और एक भाषा वाला देश नहीं है। यह एक विविधताओं का संगम है। हमारा संविधान हर भारतीय को गरिमा से जीने का अधिकार दे। हर भारतीय को सम्मान और मौका मिलना चाहिए। जाति और धर्म के दौरे पर हम सब बंधे हुए हैं। हम सब हिंदुस्तानी हैं। Thank you.
I am Sarojini Naidu, a member of Constituent Assembly. As a woman, as a patriot, I say let our daughters be free to dream, to speak, and to lead. We women do not fight for freedom to return to silence. The Constitution must recognize our roles and dignities. Thank you.
Voices for Justice. Scene 3. Voices for Justice.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The caste system has carried for millions of centuries. Our constitution must break those chains without social equality and political freedom. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Hassan Mehta, a member of Constitution Assembly. The right of women must be cleared by clear education, property, and the proper representation. Let women left behind in this new India. Thank you.
For centuries, millions have been denied education, dignity, and opportunity. I speak not as a lawyer, but as the voice for the oppressed. This constitution must be their shield. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. I am Frank Anthony, a member of Constituent Assembly. Minorities must never feel unsafe in this land. We need a constitution that ensures religious and cultural freedom for all Indians. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rajkumari Amrita Kaur, a member of Constituent Assembly. Let us remember about our rural brothers and sisters. The Constitution must offer them health, education, and justice. Rural people should get all the basic amenities and facilities. They are also part of our country. So, we should promise to give them respect and equal rights. Thank you. Scene 4, The Great Debates.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kriti Krishnacharya, a member of Constituent Assembly. Democracy must not mean election, it must mean participation and protection of the individual from the excess of the state. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a member of Constituent Assembly. India must be united, not just geographically, but in heart and spirit. Our constitution must guarantee justice and equality for all. India should free from all restrictions, impositions. We must live peacefully without any fear. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. I am Jimmy Valvankar, a member of Constituent Assembly. Let every voice be heard in this hall and across the country. A constitution is strong only when people believe in it. Thank you.
सुप्रभात सभी को। मैं एम ठक्कर, इस संविधान का एक सदस्य। हमें मौलिक अधिकारों के स्वतंत्रता को सुनिश्चित करना चाहिए। अभिव्यक्ति की स्वतंत्रता, धर्म की स्वतंत्रता और भेदभाव से सुरक्षा। कोई भी सदस्य इस 3 अधिकारों से वंचित नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए हम यहाँ मौजूद हैं। धन्यवाद।
के लिए एक लड़का एक लड़की की रेडी होना, ये सबसे कम है।
How will we include our tribal communities?
Will laws other than Hindi have equal rights?
What about farmers? Will their rights be secured?
And education, will it be a right or luxury?
5. The President speaks. Dr. Rajendra Prasad walks to the podium. Assembly collapsed.
प्लेसेस में जाना अच्छी मोर होती है। हाँ ठीक साथ में तुम प्लेस
सभी को सुप्रभात। मैं डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, इस सभा का सभापति। आपसे ये सादर धन्यवाद है कि आपने मुझे इस सभा का स्थायी अध्यक्ष के रूप में चुना। ये जिम्मेदारी एक पवित्र जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे सामने एक लंबा रास्ता है जो कि कई असहमतियों और परिणाम से भरा हुआ है, लेकिन हम फिर भी आगे बढ़ेंगे। ये जिम्मेदारी अब तक की सबसे बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है जो मैं दिल से निभाऊंगा। आइए हम आगे बढ़े क्योंकि हम इतिहास रच रहे हैं। धन्यवाद।
Scene 6. The debate continues. भारत सदैव एक सुंदर सांस्कृतिक उदाहरण बनाता आ रहा है। यह सभा सुनिश्चित करे कि भारत ऐसा एक राष्ट्र बना रहा जहां हर धर्म को उसका सम्मानपूर्वक अधिकार मिले।
We must protect minorities, Christians, Parsis and Sikhs. All are India's fabric.
Let our constitution balance liberty with responsibility. Thank you.
स्वतंत्रता के शहीदों के प्रति हमारा एक कर्तव्य है कि हम उनके लिए एक ऐसा संविधान बनाए जो कि उनके सपनों को साकार कर सकता है। हम सब आज यहाँ ये प्रतिज्ञा लेंगे कि हम सब हमेशा इस देश के प्रति एकत्रित होकर लड़ेंगे और मरते दम तक इसकी सेवा करेंगे। धन्यवाद। सीन 7 द ड्रीम इज अलाइव। यह तो बस शुरुआत थी। भारत का संविधान को बनने के लिए 2 साल 11 महीने और 18 दिन लगे थे। कुल 3 साल लगे थे। इस 3 साल में 2000 से ज्यादा संशोधन हुए थे और करोड़ों से ज्यादा सपनों ने इसे आकार दिया। But on this day, the foundation was laid, the foundation of democracy, dignity, and justice.
Let us rise above narrow-mindedness and make a nation where everyone is equal. Thank you.
India shall awaken to life and freedom, not just in word, but in truth.
Last scene, drafting a preamble. All step forward, Indian flag is raised in the background.
come to the front में आ जाओ, पूरा फ्रंट में आ जाओ, गुड, सभी लोग आ जाओ एक साथ, पीछे आ जाओ और आगे आ जाओ, आगे आ जाओ और पास में आ जाओ, और पास में आ जाओ, चल अंदर, इनसाइड, ठीक,
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic, give to ourselves this constitution. Jai Hind.